Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be featuring this wig from Isee Hair. This is their 9x6 Tpart wear and go wig. Here I'm just showing you guys the packaging. I have this wig in 12 inches and it is the Yaki straight texture. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. You guys know I don't do braids under my wig. I would, but I can't braid. So today I'm just throwing on a stocking cap and yeah. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, so essentially it's ready for you to wear right out of the package. This is already a layered bob wig, so this is what the length looks like on me. This is what the layers look like on me. You could put it on and go if this was your vibe. I do like it straight, but I am gonna go in and add my own touches to the wig. This is just me showing you guys how much movement the wig has. It also is a really nice density. I believe this wig is 180% density, but they also do have a higher density of 250. I'll list all that info in the description box, but I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of concealer to my part since I do have a wig cap on underneath and you can see the line through the lace a little bit. So for styling, I am going to use my flat iron and I'm just going to flip the hair. So I'm going to do old school flips. I do find this style more appealing on shorter hair, so that's what we're landing on today. This hair curled really easily with my flat iron. Here I'm just kind of straightening out the front piece a little bit because it had too much of a curl. So that is all I'm doing. I really love how this hair is styled. Y'all know I love anything Yaki. I'm a Yaki textured girl to the day I croak. Alright, this is the final look. I love how the hair looks. I love the curls. I love the style. I love the length. I love everything. I'm just showing you guys how much movement we have. We have a lot of movement. I'll probably go in and add a little bit of hairspray to the lace so that it's like flesh with my skin. But that is all. Look how natural we look. I'll be sure to list all of Isee Hair's info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.